All right, let's get right into it. There's a secret hiding inside ChatGPT, and almost everyone is missing it. We all think we're using this powerful tool, but the truth is, most of us are just playing in the sandbox, leaving a ton of potential and, money on the table. We're going to fix that right now.
And look, that quote you just saw, that's not hype. We're not talking about some super complex coding trick or some flimsy get-rich-quick thing. This is about one specific feature, literally buried in the settings, that completely changes how this thing works. It's the real dividing line between just using ChatGPT and, weaponizing it.
And this right here just lays it all out. On the left, you got the 99%, right? Asking for recipes, summarizing articles, maybe drafting a simple email. It's useful, sure, no doubt. But then you look to the right. That's the 1%. They are using the exact same tool to automate entire workflows, generate actual client leads, and build complex financial reports. So the big question is, how do you jump from the left side of this screen to the right?
Well, it all starts by understanding that the main chat window, that simple box we all type into, it's a bit of a myth. It's kind of like a decoy. It's designed to be simple, but that simplicity is hiding the tool's real power. The actual engine, it's not even on the main screen. It's tucked away, just waiting for you to flip the switch.
So what is it? What's this one feature that separates the amateurs from the pros, the one that unlocks this whole $1,000 a month potential?
Okay, here it is, hiding in plain sight. It's called Custom Instructions. And it takes 10 seconds to find. You just click on your profile, hit Custom Instructions, and then boom, you see 2 empty text boxes. Now, these 2 boxes, they're the keys to the kingdom. They look so simple, but they are ridiculously powerful.
See, custom instructions isn't just another setting. You need to think of it more like a micro-automation engine that's built right in. Whatever you put in these boxes permanently guides the AI. You're basically programming a new personality, a specific skill set, and a required output format that it will use for every single conversation you have from now on.
And that right there is the crucial shift in thinking. We're moving away from these one-off prompts, being a person asking a random question to a generalist tool. Instead, we are building a highly specialized assistant, one that already knows who you are, what you need, and exactly how you need it delivered, before you even type a single word in the prompt box.
Okay, so we've found the secret engine. Cool. But how do we actually turn that into something you can monetize? How do we connect this little feature to a real-world cash-generating service?
The goal here is tangible. We're talking about a system that can consistently bring in this number, or even more, every single month. This isn't just theory, it's a direct practical application.
And here's the playbook, offering automated lead generation for small businesses. Now, this is a perfect niche. Why? Because small businesses are desperate for leads, but they almost never have the time or the expertise to do that kind of outreach themselves. It's a super high-value service that you can almost completely automate with our new assistant.
So this is how the machine works. Using those custom instructions, you program ChatGPT to be your expert sales rep. You teach it to analyze business data you feed it to find the perfect clients. It learns how to draft these amazing, hyper-personalized emails that actually get replies. And get this, it can even generate the weekly progress reports you need to send your own clients. You basically become the manager of an automated system, not the person stuck doing all the manual work. Now, I know this all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work in the real world? Let's look at the proof. We've got a quick case study that shows the stark before and after of putting this exact system into place.
I mean, come on, the numbers speak for themselves. Before implementing this, it was a total grind. 15 hours a week just to scrape together 25 leads and a measly $250. But after flipping the switch on our new assistant, the hours dropped to just 4 a week, mostly just managing things, while the leads more than quadrupled to 120. And the revenue, it jumped all the way to $1,200. That, my friends, is the power of real automation.
And this quote from the person in the case study just says it all, doesn't it? The tool literally transforms from this simple reactive chatbot into a proactive, automated business partner that's working for you 24/7. That's the massive shift that custom instructions makes possible.
So there you have it. You've got the first key. You now know where the real power is hidden, and you have a blueprint for how to use it. But honestly, this is just the beginning. Now that you've unlocked this first secret, the real question becomes, what's the next level of mastery? And what other secrets are just waiting to be found?